So in this video I'm gonna tell you how you can fix this installation fail could not find directory. Very easy to solve. What you have to do is you have to go to your file manager, WP content. Now you see this too. So sometimes we just rename our plugin and theme file because of any error, and in order to solve this problem we face this problem. So what the solution is, either you rename it to the default one, plugins, and this one is theme, or if not, or if after it also if it give you any crash, then you can create another folder in name of plugins. I'm facing this problem in my plugin, so I will create another folder in name of plugins in order to solve this problem. Else you can just rename it and all set. Now let me tell you. Now I will install again. You see this. Done. Now let me install it again also. Wait a minute. It's body press. Check this. All set. So the problem that's there is this folder. Uh, Whenever I was trying to install this plugin, this directory could not find. So whenever after this plugin's name anything will be there, 123 or anything which we do by renaming it, this thing creates this error. After you correct it, the problem will be solved. Simple thing. So hopefully video is helpful. Definitely it's helpful. So please subscribe my channel and give it a like. That's my fee for this solution. So thank you.